Congress High Command to take decision on the 5 MLA joining the MDA government without consultation with MPCC.
First ever meeting of the state executive. Actually, the list of the state executive I'll give you later because normally the ICC, after the approval of the list, they upload it after 3 o'clock in the website. Just now I told them to upload in the website. It's not with me, but I can share it with you in the WhatsApp group. I can give it to Sanjay so you can have a list. And at the same time, we had a meeting today. The meeting is not only on the present political scenario, but we have a meeting about for our new construction of the MPCC new building. We had discussions. We had a presentation given by our experts on this issue. We discussed various issues of our parties in the future. But of course, the detail we discussed about the present scenario where all our MLAs had joined the MDA government. In the meeting, there was a few leaders who suggest that we should take a strong action against the MLA. We cannot compromise our ideology. There are also a few leaders, because Rapsang also was there, Meralbon was there. They also suggest that give them time for some time. There are also a few leaders who said that I think it's time for the Congress to think properly how to evolve with whom we work. Bamira has said that if we can work together in Maharashtra with the Shiv Sena, why not working here? So like that, different views. But as soon as I complete my press conference here, I will send the letters of different suggestions to Delhi. It's out of my jurisdiction to take action against the CLP and MLAs. That action will be taken by the High Command. So the action will be taken by High Command after we give the reports. So definitely maybe at night I'll get the direction, and I may not be here because my mother is serious. I have to go home. But maybe tomorrow I'll request Penshkai and Baroni to give a press briefing, whatever the outcome of the sanctions given by the High Command. But tentative, I can boldly say that the High Command is not in favor of 5 MLAs joining the MDA when I discussed with them now over phone. So definitely they'll take action. They told me that they'll be having a meeting. They'll take appropriate actions. So likely, I think the MLAs may be suspended. What I could hear, whatever they say, MLAs may be suspended, and then a show cause notice will be given to them why they should not be expelled because of they have not taken a decision before joining the MDA government. So these are the few things which we have had a meeting and had a discuss in short with the High Command because they are stand by waiting for me to talk to them after the meeting. So I'm ready to answer any questions.